Well, it's 2022, and I think you're gonna hear the word supply chain a whole lot this year. I ended up picking up some Dense Shield for the shower because the past 2 months, 6 weeks, 2 months, I've been to Home Depot, haven't seen the stuff. And today I saw a skid of it, and there was just like a couple pieces left, maybe 10, and I needed 4, so a little bit ahead of schedule, but I grabbed them up, and then I needed the 2x4 to finish some of the framing in the shower. And yeah, they're $9 for 2x3, not a 2x4, $9. So got my 2x3 to finish up the framing in the shower. Got the Dense Shield, which was I guess an okay price. And yeah, I'm ready to go. I actually went for plumbing fittings to finish this off, which I did get. So we've got everything we need, and there's the Dense Shield. So I'm gonna get the Dense Shield in and then finish up working on the plumbing. And then I guess, I don't know, maybe I'll be picking out tile seams. That's where the Dense Shield is for, and then the framing I have to do under there. So that's what's gonna be probably next week. I don't know if I'll get that started right away, but I've got the wood, I've got the Dense Shield. It's gonna be a little hard to get through here, but I think I'll make it work. All right, so got our 4 pieces of Dense Shield. Well, that's in. Now we can get back to the plumbing. Okay, so we do have the plumbing fittings in here. That's another project. Okay, so we've got all the fittings we need now for the gray tank. So the way that the top will work is this is going to be the kitchen sink. That's going to be a vent, and that's going to be tied off of here into a diverter, which will allow me to drain the shower, the bathroom sink, and the washing machine directly to the ground if I need to. Kitchen sink always into the gray water tank. And fittings. So these are kind of like the tail pieces that you would use underneath the sink. So just take the ring off, like so. Don't need that anymore, but this piece now threads right in. So that could use a lot more tightening, but anyway, that's in. And then the vent actually already threaded, which is awesome. So that goes there. That one goes in a lot better. And this fitting, I'm gonna go on here. That's gonna take from the kitchen sink. Need another one of these guys. And that's gonna go on there. And that is gonna go on there, like so. So there you have it. So that's going to take from the diverter all of the sink, shower, washing machine. That's gonna take in the kitchen sink. So we're good. And then our exit down here is into a 3-inch, which we also have threaded on. So that's the final kind of setup for the gray water tank. So at least we kind of know where we're gonna have everything and where I'm going to mount it underneath the bus. This kind of gives me an idea of where I want things to sit. So the rest of the fittings are to finish up what I started underneath the bus, but it's kind of raining out there now, so gonna see. I know I'm gonna be under the bus, so it probably shouldn't matter, but take some of these fittings out there and get started on finishing that up. Okay, now to the other side. Okay, so just have to tie them up with some all-round and some screws, and I think we're good. All the drains are pretty much done. Now we just have to plumb it into the holding tank. So that is something I kind of have to plan out over here. I'm losing markers everywhere. Oh. Okay. All right. Under we go. This is all complete. All the back drains are done. They all come to this spot right here, and there'll be a diverter here, which will either go into the gray water tank or out onto the ground. Kitchen is a lot farther up than I thought. Okay, so the kitchen is here, so it needs to come down and over. And I think how it lines up into the tank is going to be how I do this swivel here. So first, I'll put the piece that goes down, and then I won't attach the second piece until I'm ready to put the tank in, which is going to be right where I'm sitting. And that's good because I've got this channel here and this channel here. So I'm going to use these two channels, put my threaded rod through. Threaded rod will come down and hold the tank. I like when a plan works out, or I think it works out. Now, this I will swivel to meet wherever it needs to on the top of the gray water tank. So I'll have this elbow down, piece pipe, and another elbow. We'll figure it all out. All right, that's good. I have everything where I want it for the gray water tank install. I've got that there. So this piece will go on here, and I will direct that to line up. I've got that one back there. Now the diverter is not here yet, so I'll be able to get it. Be able to get a pipe off of the gray water tank ready for the diverter. That's what I think I'm going to do. This is not exactly how we want it.